What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in Fort Wayne, Indiana for the Town and Country Home Show, and we're getting ready to check out another beautiful home from an old friend of ours. So let me get you outside. I'll tell you all about it. All right, y'all, say hello to the Cedar Grove from Granite Ridge Builders. This is the same company that brought us that absolutely beautiful home, the Monaco. If you haven't seen that tour yet, definitely go check it out. I'll drop the link down in the description for you. But this home, it is beautiful as well. Inside of it, you're going to find 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It does have the 3-car garage right here on the front of the home, and all of this sits inside of 1,973 square feet. This is actually the smallest home that we've done in quite some time. So pretty interested to hear what your thoughts are on it. And as we get up here to the covered front patio space, if you are interested in a home like this, you can expect to pay approximately $513,000. But with that, let's get inside and see what all we can find. All right, here we go. So this is the view that you're greeted with just as soon as you walk in. Views out into the living room. You got the staircase going up to the 2nd floor, and then this kind of works its way back towards the master bedroom. But we'll get to all that in just a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and turn you around and show off this front entryway. So you've got the double doors leading out, obviously, onto your front covered patio space. And then you do have the 2-story foyer in here as well. So tons of headspace, plenty of room in here to do some decorating. A little drop zone, a little table or something over here if you wanted to. And then from there, we will get into it. So right around the corner from the front door, you do have a coat closet. And then opposite that, you enter into the master bedroom. So this kind of sitting towards the back of the house. Now, as we are walking through this home, let me know what you like, what you might want to change or rearrange if this home was to be yours. Love hearing that stuff down in the comments. And then also head on over to flannellandwick.com. That's our home fragrance company. It is inspired by all the homes that we tour all across the country. You know, I love sharing the visual elements of the home with you, but until you actually get to experience, you know, the other senses, i.e. the smell, right? Can you really ever truly experience what these homes are like, right? Well, now you can. So definitely go over. You can click the link in the description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Check it out. They smell absolutely amazing. So you got a linen closet, and then the toilet, and then up towards the front of the house. It's neat that it kind of spans the whole kind of width of the home. The whole suite does. But into the closet, it's got all the built-ins. There's some attic access right up above us as well. And then from here, we'll start working our way back in to the living room. This is the last home of the trip. It was a quick one. I think we were gonna go down to Indiana, but duty calls. We gotta get back, and it's crunch time. Mother's Day's coming up. Everybody's going crazy at the farm. But living room, beautiful. I love the kind of corner fireplace placement. Nice 45 right there, beautiful window, kind of letting in a good bit of natural light. Got like this fancy mantle. And then a little spot to mount a TV up above it. And then from here, you've got views back into the dining room as well as the kitchen. And then we'll go ahead and step outside onto the back patio. Perfect little spot. It's got a little uncovered space out here along with the covered space, which is nice. So you can sit and put your table out here if you wanted to have like some outdoor eating space. And then you've got a little spot that you can put the grill, so you don't have to worry about, like, you know, burning your ceiling or whatever. It happens. And then stepping back inside, we will get into the kitchen. So you've got an island right here in the middle. Doesn't look like there's any storage on this side, but there is on this side. So a nice little working space, right? You've got some pendant lights hanging down over the top of it. And then along the far wall, you've got your sink looking out into your backyard. Dishwasher. Cabinets, not quite going all the way up to the ceiling, so if you want to do a little decorating, you could. And then you've got the range, microwave, and then opposite all that, a couple little buffet counter spaces, spot for the refrigerator. And then behind this door is the pantry. And I mean, it is quite a large pantry too. Tons of space in here. And then this door right here actually leads into some understairs storage. Which, if you had like a basement type foundation, that would be stairs down into the basement as well. And then back here, we're kind of in the, let me back up a little bit, kind of in like the mudroom space, right? So this door right here is going to lead out into the garage, which we'll get to in just a second. But you do have a powder room, which I like, right? It's most of the time we've been seeing powder rooms really close to like the master bedroom and stuff like that. So having it kind of away from kind of that private space, you know what I mean, is nice. But into the laundry room, washer dryer hookups, some open shelves. Little cleaning closet. And then we'll step out into the garage. So 3-car. We've got some attic access just as soon as you walk out here. But you've got a double and a single. And then you've got the electric panel. Furnace, water heater. There's a little spigot right there as well. And then we will work our way upstairs. So I haven't been upstairs yet. We're going to get to do all of that together, which is how I like it. So let's see what we can get into. So right as we get up to the top of the stairs, we come to the first of the secondary bedrooms. This one's sitting up towards the front of the house. And into its closet. And then bedroom number 2. And all the bedrooms, this is the 4th bedroom overall, all the bedrooms up here seem to be about the same size. Its closet. And then into the bathroom. So you got the single vanity, the toilet kind of behind the little partition wall. And then you got a shower and tub. And the tub, that thing is nice and deep. Look at that thing. All right. Y'all let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this home, a home like this, or Granite Ridge Builders, you can find that information right down there in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you go on to have a fantastic day. Make sure you stop on over to flannelandwick.com. Pick yourself up something that smells absolutely amazing. Your home deserves it. All of the fragrances that we have over there are inspired by the homes that we tour all across the country, so you can bring that into your own space. As always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.